Hey guys, it is Paradox from Toxic and Paradox. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can view bot and follow bot on twitch.tv. I recommend doing this at your own risk, and this is for educational purposes only. So, to begin, what you will need is an account list for the follow bot, which I will give you a 1000 account list, a VPN, and the program installs, as well as a Twitch account. Okay, so for the first thing, we're going to be using the follow bot. The follow bot we will be going with is .twitch. Download will be in the description. It should be the first download. Make sure you have a VPN running. I'm using Proton VPN, and then just open it. So you're going to want to be using the follow option, so it would be 5 and click enter. After that, go to the channel you would like to send followers to. I'll just be using this one that I just made for the purpose of this video. After that, just click Y, and then here you should have in the files in accounts here .text. You would just want to open it and replace anything that's in there with the list I'm going to be giving you. And then once you put the list I'm going to be giving you in the tools directory, just type in the name of it. So mine is called accounts here, and click enter. This will pop up if you've used the file before, so I'm just going to click no, and then use 20 threads. As you can see here, the followers are going up very fast. I'll get to about 300 and then we'll stop and I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, we're at 300, so let me click no on that, and then let me refresh to show you. As you can see right here, we have 317 followers. I can refresh again to show that this is legit. So yeah, that's how you follow bot. So I'm going to be closing that right now. And now for the view bot, this won't always work as expected. The number of viewers in the program could be wrong, and you won't always get every single viewer. For this, you'll need a proxy list. We might be making a video soon on how to get high quality proxies or elite proxies, but for now, you're just going to want to go to proxyscape.com and then /free-proxy-list. I'll leave that in the description. Go to the HTTP proxies and just refresh your page to make sure you have the newest ones. Click download, and then you should have a proxy list here. Open your program and click start. As you can see, this has been cracked by avinfo.cf. Thanks to him for this. So just take the program. This program also comes with a chatbot. As you can see here, you would just load the chat accounts and then put the channel name and start, and it should chat for you. But for now, we're just going to be showing the view bot. So first we need to find a channel. So I'll just go to Valorant and go to low to high viewers, or yeah, viewers low to high. I'll find someone who is streaming, like this guy with 0 viewers. As you can see here, I'm just going to copy and paste his name into the program, and then I'm going to be clicking open proxy list, and you should find the proxies right here. Then just click mix and click start. You may want to open the program a couple times just to ensure you get more viewers, so I'm going to be showing that right now. If I just open this, paste his name, open proxy list, mix, and click start. Now it shows one viewer now because that is me, as I am on the stream at the moment. Like I said, it won't always be working or guaranteeing viewers. You just want to keep it on 700 as usual, because it is not the actual number that will show up. Like, you can put 700 and you might only get 5. You will have to wait a little, it won't be instant. Okay, so this really does depend on the proxies you use. Free proxy lists are not the best, so it only gave him 8 viewers. So yeah, I'm just going to close the programs now. If you do have HQ proxies, it should make the views go a lot higher, but as for now, I do not have the best proxies to use, as I was using Proxyscape, so it didn't work that well. So yeah, that's how you view bot and follow bot on twitch.tv. Make sure you follow my Twitch, where I do not actually use these tools. I just found these and made a video on them. I don't view bot or anything like that because I don't need to be honest. I just stream for fun, and if someone tunes in, then they tune in. Subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications on. I also have a gaming channel that you can watch me play games. There should be a video going up in the next couple of days on that. And yeah, join the Discord. We're also running a PS Plus account giveaway with Saints. I will be giving away 5 accounts. He will be giving away 5 accounts.